Hey friends, who's hungry? One of the things I love about springtime is all the fresh produce, like fresh asparagus. This marinated asparagus dish makes a great side dish or a healthy afternoon snack. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 packages of Italian dressing seasoning mixes, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 4 teaspoons of diced green onions, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Whisk the ingredients together, then season with additional salt if needed and set aside. Rinse 2 bunches of fresh asparagus under cold water. Remove the tough ends from each stalk and trim any large scales from the stems if needed. Bring 2 inches of water and 2 teaspoons of salt to a boil in a skillet large enough to lay the asparagus flat. Carefully lay the asparagus spears in the boiling water. Let the water return to a boil, then simmer the asparagus over medium-low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. You want to simmer the asparagus until it's no longer raw but still has a bite to it. After cooking, immediately plunge the asparagus in a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking. Transfer the asparagus to a dish wide enough to lay the asparagus flat, or you could also use a gallon freezer bag. Pour the marinade over the top of the asparagus, then cover and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours. Allow the marinated asparagus to come to room temperature before serving.